The Diaminy kit includes a commonly used 5 milliliters syringe. Users can also purchase 3 milliliters or 10 milliliters syringes as needed for their projects. The kit contains 3 metal screws, each designed to fit 3 milliliters, 5 milliliters, and 10 milliliters syringes, allowing doctors to choose and install the appropriate one based on their syringe capacity. Additionally, there are 2 plastic caps included. A small diameter cap for the 3 milliliters syringe and a large diameter cap that can be used for both 5 milliliters and 10 milliliters syringes. After understanding how to choose the accessories, we will start installing the machine. First, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the C button on the display to eject the metal rod of the machine. Since we are using a 5 milliliters syringe here, we need to select the medium-sized screw to secure it, and then twist on the syringe. Continue to press and hold the C button to advance the plunger, allowing air to be expelled from the top of the syringe, and manually push the syringe down towards the bottom of the machine to minimize any gaps. Choose a larger diameter plastic nut and screw it onto the metal rod of the machine to secure it in place. Press and hold the D key to retract the metal rod and extract the prepared skin booster. Once the above tasks are completed, we can sequentially install the injection needle, vacuum tube, and filter onto the Mesotherapy machine. That concludes the entire installation work. Press and hold both A and B buttons simultaneously. The screen flickering indicates that the parameters are adjustable. A button represents the syringe capacity. The button represents the dosage amount multiplied by the number of doses, which I have set to 100. C button represents the negative pressure, which I've changed to 0.5. D button represents the venting time, which I have also set to 0.5. After setting the parameters, press and hold the confirmation button to save the data. During the operation, simply bring it close to the skin and lightly press the confirmation button to complete the automatic injection.